Are there environmentally friendly products to help keep drain lines clear? Use enzyme-based drain cleaners regularly to break down organic buildup without harming microbial life or plumbing finishes. Choose products that list specific enzyme types, such as protease, amylase, and lipase, so you know they target protein, starch, and fat residues. For a simple home flush, pour 1 cup of white distilled vinegar slowly down the drain. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then follow with a kettle of boiling water to flush loosened debris. Do this monthly for preventive maintenance. For air conditioning condensate lines, install drain pan tablets that are explicitly labeled safe for condensate systems and replace them according to the manufacturer timeline, usually every 90 to 180 days. Mechanical maintenance matters too, so use a flexible drain snake to remove hair and solid matter before chemical or biological treatments, and avoid pouring grease or heavy solids down any drain. Finally, maintain a schedule and keep a log so you know when you last treated each drain and can spot patterns that suggest pipe damage or deeper blockage. One common mistake is overusing enzyme products by applying them to fully clogged lines where they cannot reach organic matter. Clear as much standing water and solids mechanically first so enzymes can contact residues. Another issue is using vinegar and boiling water on older PVC joints that may be brittle. Test a small section or consult a plumber if pipes are very old to avoid joint failure. A third concern is putting generic drain tablets in air conditioning systems that contain corrosion accelerants. Always check labels for suitability for condensate systems and remove any product that lists bleach or strong acids. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project posting and contractor browsing to find matches based on scope and location. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences, product recommendations, and practical tips.